Keep your automatic transmission performing in peak condition with the transmission pan kit from Mr. Gasket. If your pan is cracked or dented and you need a replacement, or you just want to dress it up, or maybe even increase the fluid capacity, with replacement kits for GM's Powerglides and Turbo Hydramatics to Ford's C4s and C6s, or even the Chrysler Torqueflite, Mr. Gasket has a pan for your transmission. Your vehicle's transmission requires special fluid for lubrication and cooling in order for it to work properly and prevent premature wear. The transmission pan serves as a reservoir and provides access for servicing the filter and replacing contaminated fluid. A damaged or leaky transmission pan can result in low fluid levels, which can cause damage or even transmission failure. Replace that trans pan with a new one from Mr. Gasket. Keep the stock look with one of our wallet-friendly stamped steel pans in smooth or rib design. We offer our steel pans in several popular finishes, including zinc, chrome-plated, and black EDP coating. Or you could choose a durable cast aluminum pan and take advantage of the increased cooling ability that they offer. Aluminum pans are available in polished or black EDP finishes and have raised fins to help dissipate heat. We have transmission pans in stock depths, but we also offer several pans with up to an extra 2 quarts of fluid capacity. Mr. Gasket pans also feature convenient drain plugs to ensure that your next transmission service goes a lot easier and hopefully you'll stay a little cleaner. Each kit comes complete with a convenient drain plug, quality pan gasket, and replacement mounting hardware. Keep your transmission in peak performance with the Transpan kit from Mr. Gasket. Thanks for watching. For more information on our full line of transmission pans, visit our website at mrgasket.com.